It was like a movie. Waking up from that overdose, just like looking around, it was so scary. It's like, am I dead? I had got into a car accident at the age of like 16, and I had hurt my shoulder, and I liked the pink pills, and then they ran out, and heroin was a lot cheaper. I tried a few different times to get clean, but this time it's a little different. I feel a little different, and lasting change is a great opportunity.
They get clean, and then when they come to us, we help them rebuild their lives and support them through that journey.
Right from day one, lasting change is thinking about how can I help them stay sober? How can I help them when they're done to have a career and a purpose so that they don't feel they need to go back down the same path that they've always gone?
So the funding from Potomac Edison is a huge, big deal for us. It funds the career development program, our workforce development program, and it helps them be able to get jobs and have a career and push them forward through their life.
Ms. Kelma helped me get a job. I work at Friendly's. I'm a server.
I sit down with them and we do a career plan, and we talk about what their strengths are and their weaknesses and what they like and what they've done in the past, and try to put together a plan.
And then every single week they attend the class, and the class covers topics from how to do a job search, how to be professional, how to understand how stereotyping works in the professional world, how to do applications, how to network.
It's very rewarding to be clean and sober and be working. It gives me a purpose.
There's nothing better than hearing that. We have had over 100 grads, and out of those 100 grads, 80% are either working or volunteering or back in school, which is pretty phenomenal.
The opioid addiction and alcohol addiction, it's a community problem. And we want to continue to make an impact on the community and help solve the problem. But we can't do it without companies like Potomac Edison and the other partners that we use in the community.
Makes you feel good that people do care. I want to live my life.